Hello Green Grid leaders. Here's a short tutorial on how to record your presentation for the GTC, New and Different Green and Global meeting that will be held in November. We'll touch on a few things: preparation of slides, how to add narration, how to turn it into a video, and then where and how to post it. First of all, create a slide deck. This part really hasn't changed. Make your PowerPoint presentation the same way you usually have in the past, using the Green Grid standard PowerPoint template. Then save it in this format for upload later. Even though you'll change this to add narration and you will do the video form of it, make sure that you keep the plain PowerPoint set off by itself. Okay, then to add the narration track, which is what you're listening to here from me, open the presentation that you wish to record. Make sure your microphone's active. Then you'll see up at the top in the menu bar is a selection called Slideshow. You've used this before. You select that, pull down the one that says Record Slideshow and select Record from the Beginning. A little dialog box will pop up with two settings. Don't change either one of those. That sets the timings based on how you actually go through the presentation. So just leave those the way they are and hit start recording. That will basically start to record your voice as you go through the presentation as if you're speaking to your audience. If you want to, as you're going along, catch your breath, take a drink, whatever, push the pause button, and then a little dialog box will pop up that you can click to resume. Go on through until you're at the end of your presentation. Then in the same little dialog box where that pause button is, you just close that box and the presentation will complete the narration and it will be added directly into the current file. Save that one separately, but don't overwrite your previous saved PowerPoint. Okay, now to convert it to an MP4 video, and that's what we need to use to embed it into both the Causeway page for the meeting and also into the Facebook group. More about that later too. So to export it from PowerPoint, when you have the PowerPoint presentation with the narration and the timings recorded open in PowerPoint, you click the File tab in the upper left-hand corner, select the Export option from the left navigation pane, then choose Create a Video from the center pane, and that will provide a set of options on the right-hand pane. From that right-hand pane, choose Internet Quality. We found that going with the higher quality ones makes the file too large. Going with the lowest quality one makes it a bit grainy. Internet quality, not surprisingly, seems to be what works best when loading into Facebook. Choose to use the recorded timings and narrations. Those are the check marks that we didn't change earlier. Ignore the seconds spent on each slide option. That would allow you to actually set that specifically if you didn't already record the timings. Then click Create Video. This will take a few minutes. And make sure that you save your video using a file name that includes your work item number, or if you're not talking about a work in progress, use the name of the group or some other reference in the file name so that admin will have a better time linking it up with the agenda. Note this will take a few minutes to convert your presentation, so the longer your presentation, give it a little more time, but you'll see it finished in your file manager. Okay, the last thing you'll do is before October 31st, upload your basic PowerPoint presentation, the one we saved first, and then upload the MP4 video of the presentation and put them both in the Green and Global November 2016 folder on Causeway. This is in the Documents module at the top level, the home page. So if you have any questions, give me a call, pdd@thegreengrid.org, or send a message to admin@thegreengrid.org. Thank you all very much. Bye.